Hello, and welcome to the 2018-19 school year. On behalf of the faculty and staff, we are excited to welcome your children back to school. I'm looking forward to making this school year truly one of the best yet for each and every student. From building maintenance to new staff hires, designing engaging lessons, and updated safety procedures, we have been hard at work preparing for this year. We continue to focus on achieving our mission for Kenston schools. And that mission is for each student to achieve individual academic excellence and to maximize personal growth in a community that demonstrates and develops mutual respect, responsibility, and lifelong learning. I'm excited to continue strengthening our 5 core district goals that are central to creating a holistic, real-world education for your children. Our first goal is inspiring student achievement. Academically, our focus is on high achievement, providing exploration and opportunity, and individualized measures of success. These are achieved through lessons that are designed to be challenging, authentic, and interactive. Teachers encourage discussion and curiosity and adjust their instruction based on the response, understanding, and engagement of their students. Next, inspiring citizenship. We work hard to ensure a safe and inclusive learning environment where each child feels comfortable and secure because feeling respected and valued is vital to their success. Our Peaceful Environment at Kenston program, or PEAK, is intended to instill mutual respect and responsibility. Next is inspiring health and wellness. Our Play Blue philosophy, promoting learning through active youth, strives to enhance both mental and physical well-being through nutrition and physical education. From our Play Blue fitness centers, our partnership with Kenston Community Education, youth activities and sports, and our nutritious lunch options, we continue to promote wellness throughout our schools. Additionally, this year, we will be introducing the Parent Engagement Speaker Series, and this is in partnership with our Kenston PTO. These events are designed to engage top experts, our parent community, and our school personnel on key topics of interest within the Kenston community, such as safety and security, mental health, and technology. We're looking forward to engaging all of you in these important topics, which brings me to our next goal, inspiring connections. Feeling a part of something bigger and developing skills for the future success is imperative to student growth. Through programs like Kenston Inc., Career Preparedness, and partnerships with area businesses, we strive to build relationships and connections between student, teacher, and community, creating relationships that last beyond graduation. And finally, inspiring innovation is another important goal of the district. From real-world problem-solving techniques to collaborative working experiences, our focus on innovation is core to who we are. This year, we have increased the availability of technology in each building, including a one-to-one Chromebook program at our middle school. Our Renew Blue environmental initiatives, including the wind turbine, solar panels, outdoor classroom, and Kenston Trails, continue to make our entire campus a classroom for our students. I hope you look forward to receiving our e-communications, and if you aren't already, please utilize the Kenston local website, our Kenston Twitter, and our Facebook feeds. I am so proud to be serving this community, and I cannot wait to watch our students grow and learn this year. I hope you enjoy meeting with your child's teachers and get to explore and experience some of our initiatives firsthand. Welcome to the new school year as we fly together for our students' success.